Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Alison and today I'd like to share with you how to make our lovely winter advent star box. So how do we make it? Let's have a little look. We've got our die set and it comes on 2 plates. I'm just going to use the main die at the moment. So just pop this out to the packaging. And all you need to do to create the main box is to cut 2 of this die shape. So pretty easy really. So you've cut the 2. You're going to cut the tabs off one of these boxes if you're making it into a box. So I've already done that on this shape, so I'm going to leave them on this. So start folding. The folds are what create everything in this box. It's a pretty ingenious little box. So work your way around. So I'm going around the star and I'm just creasing all the lines around the star. So take your time doing this. You may want to use a bone folder to get some crisper edges, but that's not necessary. I love this little box. It is so ingenious. You can send it in the post as a flat box, but it's also a 3D box. So just working my way around, and that's the last of my stars. So I've gone all around the star shape, so now we're going to crease the lines on the outside. So just bring the 2 star points together and pinch inside. So let me turn it over and I'll show you where I'm pinching. So if you look there, I am just pinching underneath at that point. So again, bring your star pieces in and just give it a little pinch. I've said before that we've made easy boxes, but this is definitely one of the most easy. Again, these could be made with children in school. So that's all the star points done. Now we're just going to do the tabs on the outside. Normally I work outside in, but for this one I've done inside out for some reason. So they're not teeny tiny tabs this time, they're a little bit substantial. So around we go. When I'm making this at home I would probably use a wet glue. But again, it would depend on what cardstock I'm using. If I'm using a cardstock that's got a coating on, so if I was using something like the iridescent card, mirror card, anything like that, then I would use a 3D red line tape. That's what I would use. And I'm using it today just for speed. So I'm just going to pop all these tabs in and you'll see how easy this goes together. Right, start at one point, so take your two pieces of protective tape off on one side. Make sure you've got your tabs lined up with your little holes on the other side. And then what I'm looking at the points of the star, just to make sure these all line up. So that's on top of there, and that is on top of there. And then we just keep working our way around. The reason I'm not taking all the protective tape off in one go is because it's bound to stick to something I don't want it to. So just give yourself a little bit of patience as you're working around. So again, we're looking at the points of the stars on the corners, and just give it a little bit of a squeeze. Make sure everything is tucked in. And because you've only got 5 sides to do, it is so easy. There we are. Tuck your side tabs in and just press together. It's so easy to do even on the counter. Use the pressure of the counter to assist you. There we go. This is the last one. So again, give it a little press, and that is your box all together. So how do we make it into our 3D box? Just press the sides. I really think it is pretty ingenious. There we are. So you've got your tabs on the outside. So give these a little bit of an open. Then we're going to push our tabs in. It's a little bit fiddly the first time, but take your time and they will go in. There we are. And there's your gorgeous little Advent star box. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget, share your projects on our social media platforms. We love to see them. Bye.